Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Betwinner app. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional Betwinner account. To do this, you click on register. Next, you're going to click on full. Then you're going to enter all the required information. Then at the promo code section, you're going to enter the promo code CAMTV. By using this promo code, you will get 200% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you will get $150. All you have to do is first of all to top up your account to benefit of all the options in the Betwinner app. So you are first going to click on your menu icon. Next, you are going to click on the deposit icon at the top right. Then you are going to find out payment methods available in your region. So you are just going to select any one and proceed to the top up of your account directly from this payment method. So once you have done that and that your account has been top up, what you have to do next is to click on popular. Here on popular, you are going to find out many sports events and all the events available for you to bet on. You are going to find out the top matches, you are going to find out the sports events, you are going to find out the esports events, you are going to find out the casino event and the X games and the win games. These win games are basically virtual games that you can play by having direct outcomes. So if you want to win fast, you can play win games to win fast. Based on present events, you can still play on top pre-matches or on live matches. So to directly place a bet, you're just going to click on any event on any match. Like here, you're going to click on this victory, and next you're going to click on add to bet slip. The bet slip basically contains all the bets available in your accumulator. So you're just going to select multiple bets and are sure to make the correct choice on your betting. Now you are going to click on your bet slip, and here you are going to scroll all the way up, and here you are going to find out this section where you can enter the amount you wish to bet on, or basically your stack, or you can find out this quick bet section where you can directly place a bet fast. And here you are going to find out your potential winning based on the odds of your total accumulator. So once you have an accumulator, you are just going to click on bet after inserting the amount you wish to bet on, and it will directly be placed in your bet history. Now you can find out your bet history containing all the bets you have placed on the platform of Betwinner. Once you have won a huge amount of money, you can simply click on your menu icon. Then you can click on the setting icon at the top right. Then you're going to find out the withdraw from account section. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to find out all the withdrawal methods through which you can withdraw your funds and cash out directly from the platform of Betwinner. Once you have cashed out, you benefit of that money, and you have win that money basically from the platform. And it is as simple as that.